All right, we made it. What is that up there? What is that?
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur. What does he have on?
Glasses.
He has glasses like
Logo.
you, like Logan. All right. Let's go see what's inside.
Ready? 1. Hi.
Two adults. Two adults? Wow, you got a stamp. Look. Okay, look. It doesn't say anything about drones. So I guess we're okay. No rock or stick throwing.
Again.
It didn't say anything about flying a drone, but we do want to get a footage of something here, but we're gonna ask permission first. But that's it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. We have a bouncy house over there. Whoa, look at that dinosaur right there.
Only bye? You don't want to say hi?
That's it? Okay. We're here to have fun. We're gonna go play in this little park. Over there is like a water park, which we're gonna go, and then there's like trails. So it is a cool place. Oh my goodness. Look at this place. Go ahead, bud. Get in there.
I finally did it. I swear to God.
Go, 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 go.
Oh my God.
Climbing.
Yes, I climbed it.
So Logan is up there playing. We're not allowed to get in there. Just kids. I would have had so much fun. And there's Mom in the background. Right there.
Logan's right over there.
Logan is not going down that slide at all. He's hanging out right there. Wow, let's go this way.
Daddy.
Yeah? Daddy has shoes on.
Yeah.
So we can go in the water. Run! Run! Yeah.
You're smiling.
Ready? What are we doing? We in the water park? What was that? water.
Let's eat.
Snack time?
No, eat that.
It's lunchtime and Logan's eating a hot dog. I'm eating a sandwich from yesterday. The food here isn't that expensive though, compared to other amusement park. So I bought him the hot dog because he didn't want to eat the old sandwich. I bought him the hot dog and now he's eating my sandwich. And he's drinking chocolate milk.
It's not fit anymore.
No, the straw doesn't fit there. You gotta hold it with both hands, buddy, before you drop it. Don't spill it. Drink, 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 drink. Yay, who needs a straw, right? I'm a big boy now. Good job, buddy. Put it on the table before you spill it. Good job.
That's chocolate.
It's chocolate milk.
See? Chocolate.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. Good job.
Wow.
That way up there.
It's like rock climbing. There you go. Good job, foot. Good job. Daddy got you. Good job. Ready? Jump. Let's go, let's go. Go. What? Wanna go on that one? Hey, come on, let's go. Don't go in, okay?
Mommy, don't go inside, Mommy. It's okay.
Okay, it's safe.
All right,
it's
we're
safe.
out of there.
It's safe.
Careful, no running. Alright, one more time.
You want to go inside?
No, I don't.
Okay, come on then.
Okay.
Wow, you hear him?
Oh, another one. Another one. Another one scared of the raptors. So we asked the front desk, and then the front desk asked a supervisor, and the supervisor, I think, asked, I don't know, the person who's in charge with marketing, and then the person who's in charge of marketing called the actual owner or somebody way up there, and they said we're not allowed to fly the drones. So no drone shots of this place, but, well, I guess, I don't know, put a picture of the map to kind of give you guys the feel of how big this place is. That kind of sucks because we do have our drone with us, but yeah, no flying in this area. So not in this area, no flying in this park.
Mommy.
So it's their loss because we could have showed
Mommy.
everyone how big this place is. Right, Lo?
Everyone.
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 Now we can't do that.
I take it out.
Thank you, baby.
I take it out.
Thank you, baby.
I take it out again.
Okay, what about the other side? You wanna sit on mommy? Thank you, buddy. You're such a good boy.
Then that go up.
That goes up.
That go up.
That does go up.
Not Logan.
Not Logan. Logan doesn't go up. Are you having fun?
I don't go up.
No, you don't go up. Are you having fun?
Just
You're having a lot of fun?
have fun and go back.
You have fun in the park. It's so much fun. You skip your nap.
No.
Again. Logan skipped his nap.
Again.
Again. So when you're walking down the trails, and there's I think about 5 of them here, there's like you'll see things like this, the dinosaur.
Dinosaur Eat the leaf.
The dinosaur is eating the leaf. That's right.
The volcano is making noises. It's gonna explode right now. Logan, let's go sit down over here on this rock, buddy, so we can see the volcano. Look, the volcano. What was that?
It didn't get me, Mo.
It's nothing. That's
It's
it.
just water, bud.
That's it.
But yeah, that's it. We are done. We are going. It's a long day here. He didn't take a nap, so he's probably gonna nap in the car. That's it. Logan went into the bouncy. He's done. He's tired. No more. Mom is tired. Dad is tired, but I have to stay up and drive.
I'm
Okay.
the navigator.
She's the navigator. She's the snack eater.
Oh, you eat more than I do. Don't
The
say
snack
that.
eater. She's the snack eater right there. She'll stay up, but snacking. But it's okay, because at least I get fed. So yeah, we're done for the day. We're gonna end.
This place is fun.
If you guys been here before, tell me what you guys think about this place. I give it a 7 because I wasn't able to get no footage with the drone. But whatever. It's okay. We're going to another place tomorrow. Hopefully we could do that. Alright. See you guys later. We'll catch you in the next video. Give us a like if you like it. Comment. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Okay? Peace out.